Okay. So in the colorful website itself, there will be something called user login, and when they enter into that, you will have some kind of description what they can do. Like they can learn some extra things. Okay, extra things means, see, there is something called, I think, Bharati script. I think you would have come across this somewhere already.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So Bharati script is one thing for which we wanted to conduct some exams. Okay. It will have again
Okay.
something like Bharati script. You can assume as if it is like some Telugu or Tamil or Hindi kind of thing. Okay. It is only a writing style, but because we wanted to conduct some small tests. Suppose someone wants to learn this in Bharati script. So this is Devanagari A. In Bharati script, we will write like this. Okay. So if someone wants to learn these characters, okay, new writing style, we will conduct some small exam, online exam. Okay, it will contain some 10 to 15 questions. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to create a page where, myself or some non-technical person should be able to easily upload the question paper, because every time you will not be there. Okay. So you try to make the system such a way that even a person who is not very much technically knowledgeable can also upload a question paper, new question paper, because every time we need not keep the same question paper. Okay. So we can keep changing the question paper. Okay. We will anyhow initially itself we will put some 5 to 10 question papers. Okay. So when the user wants to write, so there will be something like level 1 test, level 2 test. Okay. Like this will be single letters. Okay. Single then level 2 means 2 words. Okay. 2 lettered words. Okay. Something like amma. Okay. 2 lettered, then arm. Okay. So that means simply, I will show you. See, it will be like some multiple choice. So question will have arm, and then answers will have like this. So this is a, if I dash, it is a, then this is arm. This is in the Bharati script. Okay. So they have to choose this correct answer like that. Okay. For this question, they have to choose this answer, or for this question, they have to choose this answer. Something like that. Okay. Then third level will be 3 letters, 3 lettered words, something like that. Okay. So so in each level, that questions we will make it, you need not prepare all the questions, but for a sample you just randomly put something. Okay. Okay, when you are putting, you just sample, for sample sake you put something, or I will show you from where you can get. I will give some access to some questions already which are made, means already we made some Google forms. Okay, we made already some Google forms. We will just give the link of the Google form here. So we will put a heading called level 1. Level 1, in the bracket we will write it is for a single lettered exam. Okay, single lettered character exam. So when they click it, it should open automatically that Google form. That's all. And exam will be conducted through that Google form. Certificate will also go from that Google form automatically. You need not do anything about that. Okay. But, but what we wanted to do is, suppose one person is logging in. Okay. So from then onwards, some account will get created upon that particular person's name. Okay. Okay. So this time this person is writing level 1 exam. So they will be given, or they will be awarded some 5 marks or 10 marks. Something like a ranking kind of thing, you can say. Okay. So whenever they next time, so today they have written level 1. After 10 days or after probably 1 year, we don't know, depending on their interest. It is not a forceful thing, no, and it is nothing like a paid. It is only free service. Okay. So some people may come multiple times, or they may not come. We don't know. Okay. But whenever they again want to come next time, if they again log in through the same mail ID, they can again take some more exams or do some activity. And for each activity, they may be given automatically some amount of points. Okay. Like automatically when they write level 1 exam, they will be, whether they are passing the exam or not, they will get to some marks like that. Okay. Or if possible, based on the marks you give, means based on the marks which they get in the exam, you can assign some points here, or just when they go through these levels, you can give some marks irrespective of how much they are scoring in the actual exam. Okay. That is, you see what is the easiness and what is the feasibility. Okay. Can we do that kind of thing? Okay. That's okay. That's the thing. Okay. So why we wanted to use that means, we wanted to know who are more sincere and regular in doing the things, so that we wanted to give more and more good information to them. Okay. for example, IIT may be conducting a lot of good programs for school students also. So we can at least generally whenever IIT is doing, it is open to all people. But suppose there are some restrictions, like only 100 people should attend, something like that. If it is there, suppose in some programs, then we cannot inform all people. No, at least we will be able to inform these kind of people. That is what I'm thinking. Right? Sometimes see whatever IIT do, it will be generally open to all the people. But definitely there will be some physical constraints, like suppose in a meeting only 100 can attend, more than 100 cannot be permitted. Then we cannot inform this to all the people. No, sometimes then probably we will be able to, or we can inform these people. That's what I am thinking. That may happen, that may not happen. Okay. Or what I want to say is, these kind of regular people will be given or can be given more information, more extra information, useful information for their career. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Or some opportunities.
Okay.
For example, there is some science exhibition conducted in some Indian Science Congress. So we can try to pass on that kind of information to these kind of people, because they are registered people, with us. So their mail IDs will be with us. So we can pass on such kind of information to them using their mail IDs. Understood?
Okay.
It is like a teaser.
Yeah.
We are simply broadcasting the information which we have, nothing more than that. Okay. Whatever good information
Okay.
suppose today there is some conference, that information we will pass on, because we have these mail IDs, like that. So that is one of the purpose of putting this user login. Okay, na? And we will also have
Okay.
statistics. Okay, like who is actually using and how much they are using. Or whenever we want to take, suppose tomorrow we want to take some feedback. If we don't have any user login, how can we take feedback? Because someone was coming to our website and they were going away from our website, so we don't have any contact with them. No. So at any point of time, if we want to take feedback also, it is not possible if we don't have their data. Okay. So even in that way, it will be useful. Or we want to have feedback, especially to improve the exam. See, whatever exam we are conducting, we definitely need feedback, because otherwise, how do we know that what they are feeling about the questions which we gave? Okay.
Yes.
So after they write the level 1 exam, we can ask them 1 or 2 questions. How did you feel about the exam? Do you think it is any pattern has to be changed or something else? Okay, now. So all that,
Okay.
such kind of things can be done only through user login. Okay, na?
User login.
Then one more thing is, we wanted to start one science book, kind of a science magazine every month, or we can call science newsletter. Okay, science
Okay.
newsletter. So in this, it is for all languages. See, generally, suppose if you take some newspaper, it will be only Telugu, or it will be full English, or full Hindi, or full Tamil, right? Suppose if you take
Yeah.
Dainik Bhaskar, or some other paper, whatever. Okay, whatever paper you take, it will be full one's language only. No, we want to take out or bring out one newsletter every month. Okay, which will contain only science related news, or whatever happened in the last 1 month. Okay. And
Okay.
so people can send us some articles. Suppose you are there, you can write some science article. Okay, latest technology you can explain in Tamil, in your mother tongue, like that kind of thing. Okay. So especially
Okay.
we are expecting all this from school children, school teachers, or probably some science writers. Okay. Even some big people also, even some big people also, they can write some science articles. Okay, kind of thing. Okay. And similarly, children should be able to do some experiments. I will tell you one more thing. What we want is, see, there is some very good website called Aravind Gupta Toys. We wanted to promote this. Okay. This website is a very
Okay.
good website. Okay. So this website is having science videos in Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, all Indian languages. Okay, now. And each
Okay.
video will be only 2 minutes to 3 minutes only. So if you see 2 minutes, 3 minutes video, you will understand one science concept, and you will be able to do that experiment. Such a simple way they explained here. So what we wanted to do means, whoever is coming to our website, this Vignan Wiki. Okay, our website name is Vignan Wiki or Vignanpedia. We have registered two things. Vignanpedia.
Okay.
So these two things we have registered. Co.in kind of thing. Okay. So whoever is coming to our websites, we will tell this kind of good information also. Please go and see this kind of things. This is not ours, but we wanted to promote all the good things which are there in this world. Okay, like that, related to
Okay.
science.
Okay.
Okay. So now, after the people see this, suppose the students are seeing these videos, they can also make some similar science experiments. They can also take some small video, they can upload in their YouTube channel, they can send us the YouTube link. Okay, so all that kind of
Okay.
things we will be publishing in our website itself. Okay, latest contribution, like that. Okay, latest contribution. So whatever links the students, teachers are sending to us, we will put them as a soft copy in our web page. We will have one web page in our website
Okay.
itself. Okay, na? So updating, that means it will be like a collection of the experiments done by the teachers, students of different schools of the country. Okay, and that
Yeah.
too in their mother tongue. Okay, so they can send in Tamil, they can send in Hindi, they can send in Gujarati, whatever it is, Telugu, like that. Okay, so whatever they are sending, we will try to just screen it little bit. If there is any errors or very, if it is reasonably okay, we will just put it here. That's all. Links, we will only put link, we will not directly upload the video here. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
put the links. Similarly, the same matter we will also publish it as a that I told no, newsletter.
Science article.
Okay, newsletter
Yeah,
kind of
magazine.
thing. So we will convert that into text format. Means we will ask them to send text itself, some written articles. We will ask them to send. Generally, they will send us. So we can directly put them into some proper formatting. Okay, okay, 2 columns, font number 12, all that kind of formatting we can do, and we can prepare some PDF file kind of thing. Okay, na? And that's all. So that will come every month, 1 month. Okay, na?
Okay.
So similarly, so same way, whichever school is performing well, so it can happen that some particular students or some particular school is now participating very actively in this, suppose. So now we can start creating some profile page for them. Okay, if possible. Okay, and just to try to monitor like how well they are doing. Okay, instead of just saying okay, so and so school is doing well, if we can have some kind of statistics, that means whenever they are submitting something, suppose if a student is submitting something, automatically the student will get 1 mark, the school will also get say 1 mark. Got it? If a student is sending some science video, the student will get 1 mark and the school also will get 1 mark. Got it?
Got it.
Something like that, so that we will know which schools are more active. Otherwise, how we will know again which school is active? So if the schools are active, why we want to know this means, if the schools are active, then we can give some gifts for them. Means we can send, see, already we are sending some science books. Okay, so we are sending science books to schools freely. Means it is a part of some project. Okay, it's a part of a project. So as a part of that, we are sending science books in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, like that, different schools. So why we wanted to conduct all this means, suppose we are sending the books, so there should be some responsibility, no? Whatever we are sending, we want, suppose we will generally send, suppose Telugu, if you take Telugu, we are sending approximately 24 books. Okay, na? Generally. Okay, 24 small books. Sometimes it can be little more also. Okay, so 20 approximately, let us take say 24 books into each will be selected some 40 roughly 40 pages. Okay, so the books will be like this: solar energy. I am telling in English, but they will be in Telugu. Okay, solar energy is the topic. So 40 pages on solar energy, small book. Then light. Okay, again that will be 40 pages, like this. Okay, so like that, some 24 topics or even more than that. Okay, so that books we are sending to school, we want them to give to the children. They have to read them. So after 2 or 3 months, after we will send in post. Okay, we are sending by post. After 2 or 3 months, whenever they have some convenient time, the students can now take the online exam. Okay, sitting at their place, and they need not write, every student need not write all the 24 exams. 24 topics are there, no? They can choose any 3 topics out of 24. They can choose any 3 books, 3 topics, and those 3, all these 24 exams we will already put in the our web page itself. Okay, our website, we will put all the 24 exams, one Google form. Okay, everything will have a different Google page, so they can write. It will be objective type. So if you are interested in these 2 topics, you write exam for these 2 topics only, like that. Okay, na?
Okay, okay, yeah.
So that is our intention. And if they are really doing well, in the sense, especially the way they show interest, so that we can send more books, or we can send some science kits. Now first we are sending books. If they are doing really well, based on their level of interest, we can try to send some science items, like some maybe Rubik cube, convex lens, concave lens, some magnets, because they may not be available in the village, like that. Okay, na?
Okay, okay.
So that is our idea. Okay, na? Means
Yeah.
not very costly items, some simple items, or some resistor, capacitor, because just because they don't have these small resistor, capacitor, they are not able to do good experiments probably. Okay, so let us propose small items which are not very costly for us also. Okay, so this is the basic idea we wanted to have. Okay, na? Now you think of
Okay.
what can be done. Okay.
Yeah.
And then in that book, no, we wanted to conduct a lot of competitions also. So one more thing, that a newsletter is there, no? As a part of newsletter or in the web page itself, we will always have some competitions. Okay, competitions like draw. Okay, so competitions can be like throughout the year, some competition will be there. For example, whenever you want, okay, you can draw something like Abdul Kalam, like scientist photos, you can draw and send. Okay,
Okay, okay.
scientist pictures, or something like save nature. Okay, all this in mother tongue. Okay, I am telling you in English, but ये पूरा okay, तो हिंदी में या उसके मातृभाषा में वो बोलना पड़ता है, ठीक है ना? सेव द नेचर बोल के they can show, they can draw something, and only with pencil, no colors. Okay, we don't want to waste the money of the country. Okay, only pencil, normal pencil, only normal pencil. Okay, no colors, please. Okay, like that we will give instruction. Okay, they should not waste time also. Okay, and it should not be heavy. Jada draw karte nahi right now. Just it should be as simple as possible with less lines. Okay, no big means it. They should be able to draw it very quickly. They should not spend 5-6 hours for single A4 size paper. Okay, A4 size paper के लिए वो probably 15 मिनट से 30 मिनट ज्यादा से ज्यादा लेना, बस उतना ही. उसमें जितना होता उतना ही ड्रा करना, उससे ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करना. दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से. ओके ना?
Yes,
So like this. And one more thing, see, suppose see, January 12th, youth day. Okay na, like National Youth Day. January 23rd, Subhash Chandra Bose birthday. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose birthday anniversary. So like this, very important days will be there, no? So every day there will be some importance. Okay na? Every day will be some important day, something like Earth Day. Okay, Earth Day. Okay, Nature Conservation Day, something like this will be there, no? So for all days they can draw some good thing and they can send us. Okay na?
Okay.
So we will publish them in our newsletter and also in the website. Okay na?
Okay.
Like that. So but when they are sending images, initially it may be okay, but as after days are going on, website will become loaded with all the images. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it will become heavy. Initially less images will come, no problem. But as the days progress, maybe after 1 or 2 years, that will become like a very heavy thing. We have to see something alternative. We have to see some alternative. Okay, but initially we can put
Okay.
on. Okay, so we can conduct these competitions related to science. So we can also conduct do some science experiment and as a part of some competition, all those things. Okay now?
Okay.
Similarly, very important project is going on, which is called Science Books Audio Project. Okay, so whatever 24 books we are sending to the schools, okay, just I'm telling roughly. So some people who are interested, they can read the book. It is 40 pages book, no? They can read it and audio record it. Okay, they can audio record it. Okay, and they can upload into some website. There is a website, free website, archive.org. This is a free website where you can upload audio. Okay, so so they can create an account in this freely. It will be good for them only. Suppose whenever they go for a job afterwards, they can tell that it is something like, suppose if people are going to a job, they are showing their GitHub channel, no? See, I did so many projects in GitHub. Same way, they can show I have done so many things in archive.org. It will be helpful for them also. Okay, personally, for their career. So they can audio record these books, like whatever topic they are interested. It's not compulsory that they have to do for all the 24 पुस्तकों का नहीं करने का है, ठीक है ना? जितने जो टॉपिक
Okay.
उसको पसंद है उसका ऑडियो, वो ऑडियो भी पूरा 40 पेज एक ऑडियो नहीं, 2 to 3 पेजेस पार्ट 1, ओके, देन पहले
Okay.
फॉर एवरी 2-3 पेजेस दे कैन डू पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3 लाइक दैट, ओके। ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा कंटिन्यूअसली बोलते जाना नहीं, ठीक है। दे कैन टेक ब्रेक, दे कैन स्टॉप, बोल तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5-5 मिनट की छोटे छोटे फाइल्स, ओके ना।
Okay.
So I will show you some sample, ऐसा already हम कर चुका है। So and one more thing, now you may get a doubt, suppose if same person is suppose one person is already doing solar energy, then why should other person also do solar energy, you may get a question, okay na, because we are sending these 24 books. If every student is doing solar energy, it is no use, you may think, okay, let them do it, no
Yes.
problem, because it will be a good practice for them, okay। and also हर एक आदमी का बोलने का तरीका अलग रहता है, वन पर्सन का the way they tell, okay, the tone modulation, all that will be different, no, so that
Yes.
won't be a big issue, okay, because some people may like some people's voice, okay, and you may not like some other people's voice, so let it be whatever. And one more advantage is whenever they record it, no, they will send us the link only, they are uploading an archive and they are sending the link only to us, the link they can
Okay.
send it to their friends, their relatives also in WhatsApp, so they will also appreciate. See, especially suppose if you are there, okay, if Now Prakash is sending me something with his own voice, I will have respect for it, because I know Now Prakash, okay, means whoever we know closely,
Okay.
whenever they are sending us some audio, we will feel very happy, no,
Yes. Yes.
instead of someone's voice. Suppose if someone is sending me some audio recording, I may not listen to it because I don't know him who he is also, but when Now Prakash is sending me, then I will definitely feel, he is my close friend, and then I have to listen, like that, that feeling will be there, right? So
Yeah. Sure.
okay, so at least they can send it to their relatives, their friends, and they will also get motivated. Oh, you are doing this kind of service to the society, yeah, like that. So it will be good for their family and their friends itself. All of them will get knowledge elevated, okay, for all those people, okay. So it will have
Okay.
multiple
Okay.
benefits, okay na. So I can show you one example. Already we have done that. So many people have done that. Uh, right, I will send you a link afterwards anyhow, for that kind of things, okay.
Okay.
So you understood the basic idea, right? Okay.
Yes.
And so if anything else you can add also, you try to add that, okay. And one more thing is,
Yeah.
you will have a very good satisfaction, okay, that you are a part of this kind of a good project, okay. So you just do it, and then how your team is doing, I think they have done good work earlier till now, so I hope they will continue the same thing nicely, they'll do. Anything you
Okay.
have, any
One
doubt
more
you have,
thing.
you tell me. Now I will stop
Yes.
recording I am stopping now, means pause, I will put pause.